You've walked into a hotel room before and immediately thought, why does this feel so expensive, even though it's actually pretty simple? Same size room, same basic furniture, and yet it feels elevated, calm, intentional. Meanwhile, your apartment might feel a little off. Not bad, just not polished. Here's the part most people miss. It's not about money, it's about design decisions. Hotels are engineered environments. Every detail is chosen on purpose. Your apartment, it's usually a mix of convenience and random purchases. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 hotel design secrets that instantly make a small apartment feel expensive. And pay attention to number 4, because it's the one almost everyone gets wrong, and it quietly makes your entire space look cheaper. Let's fix that. Secret number 1, layered lighting changes everything. Walk into any high-end hotel room, you won't see one harsh ceiling light blasting the entire space. Instead, you'll see layers, a soft bedside lamp, a floor lamp in the corner, maybe a subtle light washing over the wall. The goal isn't brightness, it's atmosphere. Now compare that to most apartments. One overhead light, cool toned, flat. It makes everything look cheaper instantly. Here's the fix. Turn off the overhead light at night. Replace it with at least 3 light sources at different heights. A table lamp, a floor lamp, and if you want to level up, a small accent light. Warm bulbs only, around 2,700 Kelvin. The moment you do this, your apartment doesn't just look better, it feels different. Secret number 2, hotels always go bigger than you think. Hotels rarely use small pieces. The artwork is oversized. The rugs extend beyond the furniture. The headboards are tall and wide because small pieces make a space feel smaller. Your brain reads it as clutter. Now think about most apartments. Small rug floating under a coffee table. Multiple tiny frames on the wall. Furniture that feels slightly undersized. It creates visual noise. Here's the upgrade. Go bigger, but fewer. 1 large piece of art instead of 5 small ones. A rug that actually sits under your sofa. Longer curtains that reach the floor and extend wider than the window. This shift makes your space feel intentional, and that's the difference between nice and expensive. Secret number 3, the bed is the star of the room. The bed is the visual anchor of the entire room. Everything else supports it. Now, look at most bedrooms. Flat pillows, wrinkled bedding, no structure. Hotels use a formula. Crisp base layer, 2 to 4 sleeping pillows, 2 decorative pillows, and a throw at the foot of the bed. It's not about excess, it's about structure. Everything looks clean, intentional. When your bed looks finished, your entire apartment feels more elevated. Secret number 4, hidden storage creates luxury. Luxury spaces don't feel full, they feel edited. Hotels hide everything. Extra linens, cables, personal items. You only see what's meant to be seen. Things on surfaces. Open storage turning into clutter. It's not that you have too much stuff, it's that it's visible. Here's the fix. Start removing things from sight. Use closed storage wherever possible. Baskets, storage ottomans, clean drawers. Limit what stays out to a few intentional items. A book, a candle, a tray. When surfaces are clear, your space instantly feels calmer, and calm reads as expensive. Secret number 5, hotels always smell like something. Hotels almost always have a signature scent. Clean, warm, subtle, and it creates an emotional reaction the second you walk in. Now contrast that with most apartments. No scent or random competing smells. Here's the upgrade. Pick one scent profile and stick to it. Something warm and clean, something slightly woody, or something soft and fresh. Use a diffuser, a candle, or both. Keep it consistent. Because scent is one of the fastest ways to make a space feel intentional. Secret number 6, simplicity is strategic. Hotels don't over-decorate, they edit. Every piece has a reason to be there. There's space between objects. Now, look at most apartments. Too much on every surface. Decor that doesn't relate. Filling space just because it's empty. It creates tension. Here's the shift. Instead of adding more, remove things, then remove one more. Group items instead of spreading them out. Use trays to create structure. Leave empty space. That space is what makes everything else feel elevated. Secret number 7. Nothing feels random in a hotel. Hotels rely on cohesion. Everything connects. The colors match. The materials repeat. The finishes are consistent. Now think about your apartment. Different wood tones, mixed metals, random textures. Individually, they're fine. Together, they don't tell a clear story. Here's how to fix it. Pick a simple palette. Stick to 2 to 3 main tones. Repeat them throughout the space. When everything feels connected, your apartment feels designed. Putting it all together. Expensive doesn't mean more. It means intentional. Hotels feel luxurious because they remove everything that doesn't belong. So if your apartment doesn't feel the way you want it to, don't start by adding more. Start by editing. Adjust your lighting. Scale things up. Clear your surfaces. Create structure. Because once those pieces are in place, even a small apartment can feel like a high-end hotel. If this helped you see your space differently, go ahead and hit like and subscribe.